In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to create an email alert action in Salesforce Lightning so the right people get notified automatically when your automation runs. You'll need setup access for this, and we'll stay focused on building the alert itself. How you trigger it with a workflow rule, process, or flow can come afterward. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From there, choose the option that opens the full setup experience. This takes you into the admin side of Salesforce where we can configure email alerts. Once you're in setup, use the quick find search box on the left and type alert. In the filtered results, select email alerts. If you see a prompt to continue to the page in a classic style view, just click continue. Some setup pages still use that layout, but everything you need is there. On the email alerts page, click new email alert. This opens the form where we'll define the alert's details. Start by giving it a clear, human-friendly description. Think about who this alert is for and when it should fire. A good description makes future maintenance a lot easier. As you type, Salesforce will generate a unique name. You can keep the auto-generated one or adjust it to match your naming conventions, but avoid spaces and special characters. Next, choose the object this alert belongs to. This determines which records the alert can reference. Open the drop-down and select the object your automation will run on, like account, opportunity, case, or a custom object. If you're not sure, match it to the object your workflow rule, process builder, or flow will evaluate. Now choose the email template. Templates save time and ensure consistent messaging. Pick a template that includes the details your recipients need, such as record fields or a call to action. If you don't have a template yet, you can come back to this screen after creating one, but for now, select the best match. With the template in place, define who receives the alert. Use the recipient type menu to target related users, roles, or groups tied to the selected object. A common choice is account owner, which ensures the person responsible for the record gets notified. Select account owner, then add it to the selected recipients list. If you see it appear in a pick list, click it, and if there's an add arrow or button, use that to move it into the selected column. Click into any empty space on the page to confirm the selection if needed. You can also include specific users. Look for a list of available users and select the one you want, such as a designated integration or system user, then add it to the selected recipients. For ad hoc addresses not tied to Salesforce records, use the additional emails field. Enter one or more email addresses separated by commas. If you want to receive a copy yourself, there's often a quick option to add the current user's email. Add it and confirm it appears in the selected recipients. Before saving, review your selections carefully, the object, the email template, and every recipient you've added. If a recipient isn't visible in the selected column, highlight it again and use the add control until it appears where you expect. This double check prevents missed notifications later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your email alert is now ready to be used as an action in Workflow Rules, Process Builder, or Flow. A quick tip: use consistent naming for descriptions and unique names so you can find and reuse alerts easily. And if you're working in a complex org, test the alert in a sandbox first to confirm that recipients, merge fields, and deliverability settings all behave as expected. That's it. Your Salesforce email alert is set up and ready to plug into your automation. Thanks for watching and happy building.